Deal management is the focus of our upcoming upgrade. We basically reinvented the way that you currently manage deals in ClientLook, like listings and requirements, in order to enable a whole new level of productivity. Now, we also made this change to set the stage for really exciting integrations we'll be releasing in a series of upgrades in 2024. So let's dig into how you and your team will manage deals going forward. Now, the first thing you might notice if you're a current ClientLook subscriber is that there's no more listings module in the menu along the top. That's because listings have been moved into the deals module. Now, the deals module is where you now track any type of transaction. It could be a listing, it could be a requirement like a tenant rep assignment, or it could be anything else with a revenue potential like a BOV, a consulting, appraisal, or whatever. Now, by default, you'll always see deals in this pipeline view. So it's easy to understand the value of everything you're working on, like when it's closing and in the current stage of every deal. Now, we've made it easy to instantly pull up a list of any specific type of deal too, like all listings or just sale listings, or all requirements, or maybe just tenant rep assignments. Or you can view what we call other deals, which account for any other type of transaction. This one page does it all in a way that's super simple. So let's look at how easy it is to add a new listing. There's just one big button that you'll use to add a new deal. Now, when you click this button, you'll be prompted to select the type of deal that you want, like a listing or a requirement or an other type of deal. So let's create a new listing for an investment sale deal that you're selling. So I'll click listing. Now, to create a listing in ClientLook, you have to choose a property to which this listing belongs. And you've got two options for the source of this property. You can choose ClientLook as the source in order to add a listing to a property that's already in your database, or you can search for an address anywhere in the US using the Lightbox property database integration. Now, in that case, you enter an address and ClientLook creates a new property record on the fly by downloading all the research data that Lightbox has available. All you need to do is add your listing fields. So let's enter an address for a property in ClientLook that we previously downloaded from Lightbox, since I covered that in the last section. This last step is to choose the type of listing that you'd like to add. Now, in our case, we'll simply choose investment sale. Now, in this last page, you'll enter the details of your listing. This includes pricing information and all the listing contacts. And now you can also incorporate pipeline details like the current probability of close or the sales stage or even the potential earnings. And once I'm done, I click Add this deal to save it. And now here's the other big payoff from our recent upgrade. Your listing will now incorporate all the great features that used to be relegated exclusively to deals in ClientLook. So what does this mean? For example, a listing now has an Updates tab. So you can log the outcome of every conversation or property tour or meeting. It also provides email integration so that you can seamlessly connect outgoing and incoming emails related to a listing. That means that all of your correspondence, including every file related to a listing, will appear here. Now, these messages also appear in the records of the email recipients as well in your contact database. Now, there's also a button to convert a listing to a comp with a single click, which we'll cover next. Big picture-wise, you can share listings with your team and even collaborate in real time with your clients. And just so you know, it's just as easy to add lease listings and track multiple spaces as well, and the same is true for tracking requirements. Our new Deals module helps you do more. And with the other Lightbox integrations coming soon, it should be your one-stop shop for everything you need.